Hello guys, let me show you guys this paper airplane flies. This is a very easy paper airplane that can be folded in 1 minute. You can hold the paper airplane right here and throw it up to the skies and see how it flies. Make it a kick throw. Here we go. So you can see one trick of the plane. So let me hold the paper airplane up, tilt a little bit and throw it at 30 degrees to see how it flies, okay? Wow, it's come back to me. See that? It's cool, right? And now let me throw it straight. Oh, it's come back to me again. So that's a very cool boomerang plans. But let me throw it this angle, tilt it a little bit at 30 degrees as well. So see if it's come back. Wow, it come back to me again. Let me tilt it and throw it at 30 degrees again. Wow, it's come back to me. And to make it do loop, you may have to throw it hard. So let's check it out. Here we go. So if you want it to fly fast, you need to throw it hard. If you throw it not hard enough, the plane tends to boomerang. So let me throw it harder now this time. Wow, it's stuck on the tree. How can I get it out? Fold the paper in half. Then unfold the paper. Start from the upper edge, fold both sides to the center crease. Repeat the same fold for the other side. Now let's fold this part of the paper down. Start from this up edge, fold straight to this point. Unfold the paper. Start from this up edge, fold to the crease that we just made. And fold it down again. Now fold the paper in half. Fold the wings down. Repeat the same fold for the other side. And here you go, this is the new paper airplane. Alright, so we just finished the paper airplane. But now if you want the paper airplane boomerang, you want the paper airplane fly far and high, we need to create the stabilizers. Okay, this is very simple to create the stabilizers for this plane. At the end of the wings, you just fold it up like this. So I finished one and I'm going to do the same step. This is very simple. You can just use your finger, the thickness of your fingers to fold the stabilizer. And now I just finished the paper airplane. Okay, just a few more tips that I'm going to share with you guys to make the paper airplane to come back to you. You need to fold the stabilizer toward the center a little bit like this and hold the plane and throw it at a angle that you want the plane to come back to you. You can tilt it this way, or you can tilt it this way, or you can just throw it straight. Let's learn how your paper airplane flies, and then you can decide which angle is the best angle that you want to throw the plane. And here you go, this is the paper airplane. I hope you guys enjoyed making this plane. Don't forget to like the video, share the tutorial with your friends, and subscribe my channel. See you next time. Bye bye.